Hey friends, this is one day later of the ashes from that burn barrel, from burning up all that debris like that yesterday. I had a big pile here and some old fence posts, burned it in there, and here it is 24 hours later, and it's still hot. That stuff is still burning. I thought for sure that that would be cool by now this morning, but no way in hell. So the only thing I can do is let it cool down. Wow, that's amazing. Man, the heat coming from that is still, wow. That's amazing. To think I thought it might be cool enough to put in the plastic dumpster. No way in hell. No way. So I gotta burn the rest of that. Take out those two trees, chop off the top of those posts, and put up about the rest of the pickets that I have. And I gotta go buy some more. But I'm gonna get all those tasks done today and pick up that debris here, those bricks, and get rid of them. And then I'll be able to stop until I get some more of the pickets. So I need to go back to work and make some money. Doing this kind of stuff is fun, but I don't make any money doing it, and I got to pay my bills. So, because I got customers that are slow, which, you know, it's expected because of the crap that's going on with the virus and stuff and all the. Well, actually, let me take that back. The hoax. Okay, choose.